Hey everyone, welcome back to the CopQuest YouTube channel. My name is David. I'm the manager of agency sales, and today we've got another awesome video for you. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Let's get into two really cool new products from our friends over at Heroes Pride. First, we've got the Ballistic Tac line of duty accessories, and the second is called the EAGLE Plus, which is actually this item right here. So breaking it down, I'm actually going to start with the Ballistic Tac first, and we'll circle back to the EAGLE Plus momentarily. So the Ballistic Tac, you might be looking at this and go, David, that looks exactly like their current line of ballistic nylon duty gear, and you'd be correct for the most part. The main difference is going to be on the back side here. So the Ballistic Tac, instead of having a belt loop on the back to accommodate a 2 1/4 inch belt, it actually has two hard plastic strips that are designed to go through MOLLE as well as go onto a duty belt. So this is a multi-purpose pouch. All right, so I'll show you putting it on to the ballistic carrier first. So what you're gonna do is pinch these two tabs on either side of the strip. You're gonna open that up, and then bring that a little closer to the camera. So you'll see this pin here. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to push this out with your fingers, set that off to the side. Those only come into play when you are using this on a duty belt. When you're putting it through MOLLE like this, you're actually going to remove that. So put this on. Normally with MOLLE, you'd be weaving, one under, one over, such, but you no longer have to do that with the Ballistic Tac. You're just going to push it through the rows of MOLLE that are needed, simply snap it shut, and then you are secure and ready to rock and roll. To remove, just the opposite. So you're gonna push those tabs, pull it out, and then you are good to go. For the belt, like I said, you're gonna have to reinstall this. So you want the posts going in towards the bottom here, because this will help pick what size you need for your belt. So let's grab a 2 1/4 inch duty belt. I'm going to set that down, close that up, and there you go. We now have it on a 2 1/4 inch duty belt. Same pouch, two different applications. So now that we have explored the Ballistic Tac, let's move on to the EAGLE Plus. So the EAGLE Plus is the second iteration of a product that Heroes Pride put out. First one was called the EAGLE, now we've got the EAGLE Plus. The whole line of EAGLE is so that you can take your existing ballistic pouches from your belt and adapt it to go onto a MOLLE carrier. So this is really phenomenal. So if you're wanting to keep your handcuff pouch and put it on here, no need to buy a new one if you already have it. So what you're gonna do with your EAGLE Plus, you're gonna open up this top portion. It's going to slide in through the belt loop on the back side of your pouch. There we go. Once that's through, you're going to close and snap that shut. Then you've got two rows here that you will open up. And then same thing with the Ballistic Tac. You no longer have to weave this through. Simply just slide it through. There we go. Once we're in, we're going to snap that shut. And now you are nice and secure with your EAGLE Plus. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our informational video. If you could, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we love putting out great content for you. If you're interested in picking up any of the items we discussed, links for everything are going to be down below. Be safe and talk to you later.